What?
We're finally gonna catch that mouse. Gotcha!
Ha stupid eagle! Hang him up!
Or maybe we can nurse him back to health and set him free in the wild.
Okay, Bart, think of a name. Bye!
We love you!
Boy, give me my baseball bat.
Hello, I'm Elon Musk.
His company perfected electric cars and then gave away the patents. He changed the way Hollywood drives.
So what brings you to Springfield, Mr. Musk?
What does bring me to Springfield? Well, to start with, I'm an idea man.
If you're interested, you could come to the nuclear plant where I work tomorrow.
I am, and I will.
Hi, I didn't want to miss one more chance to spend time with Mr. Musk. It is such an honor.
Oh, man, I wish those were white meatballs.
Say something else, please, now.
Don't taste me, bro. Chocolate rain!
Taze, bro, chocolate rain.
Bye.
Well, come on, keep throwing things at me.
Why don't we have fun like that, Lou?
Chief.
Good Lord. Sir, you know who that is? The man who's revolutionized the car industry.
Henry Ford, good to see you. Young man, I look at you and I see myself. How much would you charge to work for me?
I don't care about the money.
Now, let me feel the vibrations of your lips.
I don't care about the money and I want you to get your fingers out of my mouth. Now, Burns, what if everything in town, not powered by electricity, were powered by electricity? The electricity, you sell them. Imagine that.
So, what kind of lunch do you pack? Wow.
My partner, Montgomery Burns, and I
Hooray!
have exciting news. Springfield electrifying the school to replace the old power source. Willie pushing a wheel.
I don't trust Musk. Anyone with that much money has a darkness in his soul.
Says you.
Sir, Musk's ideas sound great. Too great. We're meant for wretched lives. Now it's time for Traffic with Arnie Pie.
Nothing to report, Kent, since Elon Musk gave everyone self-driving cars.
Since you came down from the sky.
Car? Wait, Grandpa!
Thank you!
You'll never guess Elon Musk's master password. Musk rules with a Z.
Password verified.
We are losing roughly $50 million a quarter. Just remember, our purpose is to show the planet how to save itself.
No! Musk, you tricked me.
Not a trick. We sacrifice now to take care of the future, in a way totally determined by me.
In the once-in-a-lifetime mistake of trusting another human being, I am saddened to announce massive layoffs.
Burns' layoffs have thrown the city into a new depression.
You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh.
Now, the reason I'm here, I've made the calls. I'm going to have Elon Musk killed.
What's wrong, Homer? Is it that all your friends are out of work and it's kind of your fault?
No, it's Elon.
Here's what you do. You just take his hand, look in his eyes, and say, I don't want to be with you anymore.
A little. Long in the tooth.
Nonsense. Just because a man can't see or hold his hand steady doesn't make him any less of a marksman. Sweet Columbian exposition. Musk lives.
I don't want to be with you anymore. Miami Dolphins helmet, the little dolphin is also wearing a helmet.
Why, they're always the most beautiful just when they're breaking up with you.
For a man who likes electric cars, he sure burns a lot of rocket fuel.
The little dolphin is also wearing a helmet.
Don't know about you.